everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm so excited that you are here today. Today we have a little birthday unboxing from Coach. Unfortunately, the other item that I asked to have gift wrapped was not. Looks like it was sent directly from a store location, but that's fine. We'll move past it. But we do have a Coach unboxing today, so let's go ahead and take a look at what I purchased. This will also be in my birthday haul that will be posted likely Friday, which is my actual birthday. So let's go ahead and get right on into it, see what we purchased from Coach, and we'll do a little unboxing and maybe even what fits in my bag. We'll see if that might be a second video, but let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so like I mentioned, today I have two pieces that I purchased from Coach. They're part of my birthday haul. I have one item that was gift wrapped here, which I did ask for gift wrap when I ordered, and then the other item that I ordered looks like it was not gift wrapped. It was just placed in the box inside the dust bag, which is okay. I just thought it would be more fun to unbox something that was gift wrapped. So let's go ahead and see what I picked up. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this first item. I love the black and brown gift wrap that they do. And inside the box was also a little card that just mentions, "Thanks for shopping. We hope you enjoy. We have been known for our attention to detail. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you." And that's on the back of this card. Alrighty, so opening up the box here, inside we have the little tissue paper and the Coach sticker, and we'll unbox that. This is obviously the smaller good that I purchased. And then inside of that, it does come in a little dust bag as well. So we'll set the packaging or the box aside because I won't be keeping that. I don't have anywhere to store it. And let's go ahead and see what we got here. This is from the newer spring launch from Coach. I've been a Coach fan since I was 16 and had my first job, and I purchased the Coach Scribble bag, if anybody remembers the Coach Scribble tote, and then I also purchased the Coach Scribble tennis shoes. So since then, I've been a Coach lover. This is tight inside this dust bag here, so trying to work it out. Looks like it's because of some of the cards. So inside you get the little cards. Alrighty, so I showed you the little cards that came inside there, and then also we have the little QR code for your item here. So that will all be going in the trash. And then the item that actually came inside the little dust bag is the new denim card holder. So this is the same pattern or fabric that's on the tabby, the Coach denim tabby, but this has the denim with the yellow stitching, the brass C, and then the blue leather up at the top. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 card holder slots, and then one larger center compartment here. And then inside is, of course, the proof of purchase inside there. So that is what is inside the smaller of the dust bag. So I'm sure from here you can gather what was potentially purchased. It is from the denim collection as far as the larger bag, but I was really excited to get this to go with my bag. I'm a big card holder fan, so I do carry card holders typically instead of a full wallet, and I'll put that back in the dust bag. But there is item number 1 for my Coach birthday purchase. And then item number 2 is in here, and I know that the most popular item from this launch, and I might have a little bit of FOMO, was the Coach tabby. I did not purchase the Coach tabby, but I do already own several of this style of bag, and I thought the price point was very reasonable for the item, and I love the structure of this bag. So I picked up the Coach Cassie 19 in the denim. So you don't get the quilting like you do on the tabby, but you do get some fun other things. On the front, you have the gold brass C. This is your lock to the bag. So you twist this, and then that's going to open up the bag for you. I love the denim. I am a casual clothing wearer, so I think it goes really great with my wardrobe, and it's so nice for spring and summer just to have like this casual denim bag. The bag is a little thicker here, so you can see that it has a little bit of thickness here. You can fit quite a bit inside the Cassie. And then on the back of the Cassie, you do have a pocket here. And then as we're moving around, you have your little leather tag here, and then your D-ring in brass. And then on this side, you have your little Coach tag. And then also, again, you have your little D-ring with the blue leather here. It looks just like a pair of jean shorts. So let's go ahead and get onto the inside. On the inside, the top up here is fabric. It's not leather, but you have a little like lining around the bag. And then taking a look inside, you have your straps. You have 3 different pockets inside the Cassie, and I'll take out what's inside here. So it looks like, oh, perfect. Here it is. I have all my straps inside the bag. So going through the bag, I just took out the straps. I'll show you in just a moment. But again, here is your first pocket. That's your first one. It's a little dark. Let me see if I can get my light to shine in there. Your main pocket here, you have your little Coach tag inside, a little zipper pocket, and then you have a smaller or thinner pocket in the very back. And then again, this is a very structured bag. And then just for reference, if you're not familiar with the bag, this is the iPhone Pro Max 15 or the 15 Pro Max, so the largest iPhone that you can purchase, the new iPhone, and then that fits beautifully inside. You can't see it, but here it fits perfect inside with plenty of room, so it does fit the new iPhone. And then what I took out of the bag was the Coach top handle that you get with the Cassie. So you get a top handle that you can attach to the D-rings, and I'll attach that here now, so that you can hand carry the bag. So you get the top handle here, that's in the blue leather, and it does have like a maroon lining on the outside of the leather here. So there's the top handle to the Cassie. You also get a crossbody leather strap with the Cassie that matches the exact same color as the top handle. And of course you can attach that to the D-rings. And then something that I love about the Cassie is that you also get the chain strap. And I think the chain strap just adds a little something extra to the bag. So I'm gonna throw that on here now. I'll probably throw all 3 on here. Let's take a look. I'm not sure why I'm doing this at such a weird angle. Alrighty, there we go. And I still have the tags on it, which makes the D-rings a little cluttered, but there's the top handle, there's the chain strap. You can let the chain strap just hang for like added fun to your bag, and then use the full length crossbody, or maybe you just use the handle strap. Let me stand up and show you a quick like body view. I'm 5'5", roughly a size 10, 12 to give you just reference for frame of body. And I'll show you what this looks like just with the top handle and the chain strap. And then I'm sure we all know what a crossbody looks like. I'm not gonna throw that on right now. Standing up here it is against my frame. Again, 5'5", roughly a size 10, 12. Here's what it would look like from the side, with the top handle, with the chain strap. Again, for size reference, I think it looks really cute as the top handle bag, and let the chain hang. But there is mod shot for the bag. And then of course, if you did put the crossbody strap on, that would hang crossbody roughly like this, a little lower, a little higher, whatever you prefer. But I think it looks so cute as a top handle with the chain, and that's my preferred way of carrying the Cassie. Alrighty, so I will finish taking off all of the plastic around the bag here in a little bit. Most of the time that previous times I've ordered from Coach, they come very well wrapped. This looks like it came from a store in Omaha, Nebraska, and probably was something that they had out or already unwrapped. So no fault of their own that they didn't have all the wrapping, and it's okay with me. It's a lot of trash. that I now don't have to discard. But just kind of showing you really quick again, I'm gonna throw my phone in here and I'm gonna throw this in the main pocket, and then I'll throw in it's not a small leather good, but the small card case inside, and I would probably throw that into the front pocket here, but those fit beautifully, lots of room, lip gloss, wipes, whatever you need. I'm a mom, so I always like to have some wet ones with me. Hand sanitizer, lipstick, lip gloss, all of that good stuff can fit in here totally fine. I can even keep the crossbody strap in the bag, which I sometimes will do just so I don't lose anything and I can keep everything together. I could fit that in the back little pocket, and that could just stay back there. I don't know if I'll do that for this one because it is a smaller bag. I do it with my Marc Jacobs tote, but you could technically keep it in there and you still have lots of room in the first two pockets. And then again, you do have a back pocket as well. It doesn't have a lot of stretch or give, so I don't know if I'd throw my phone in there, but you could maybe throw in a card case or something that was slim that could be manipulated easily. But there is the brand new Cassie 19. I know there's been a lot of videos out for the Coach Spring Collection. I will probably do a what's in my bag here coming up in the next week once I get everything moved over, but or a what fits inside, but I'm sure there's plenty of those out as well. But that is what I purchased from Coach, the Coach Spring Drop. So I'm super excited. I love the Cassie. If you're interested in seeing some of my other colors in the Cassie, let me know down below. If you would, please like, subscribe, and leave comments down below if you picked up anything from the Coach Spring Collection or what your most recent handbag purchase was. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.